Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I am going to show you how to construct an involute of a circle with radius 50 mm and with a tangent and a normal. This is the involute of a circle with radius 50 mm and a tangent with a normal. This is the involute. Let's start by step process. First we will draw a circle of radius 50 mm. Now divide this circle into 8 parts. Now check the circumference of the circle. It's 314.16. Double tap on the circle, you'll get the properties of the circle. Circumference is 314.16. Now draw a line. 314.16 line. Now divide this line into 8 parts. Now select all these points on the line. Now use polar array. You will get in this third one polar array. Click enter. Then specify the center. You will get 6 items, like 6 lines, but we need 8 lines. In items, change it into 8. Now click on escape. Then all these points and lines will be a single item. We need to change it into single items so that separate items, so that we need to use exploit. Then this all will be exploited. Now you can take a single thing. Now use pi line and draw the first one. Now here you need to start from this and the first point from the this line, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth point from here, then sixth here, seventh and eighth. Then click on enter. This is the involute. Now use trim. Take out these extra parts and even delete these points. And these points also you can delete. These points are no need. And this is the involute of the circle. Then highlight this, means increase the line weight. Keep 0.5 or 4. And now we need to draw a tangent and normal. For this you need to draw a line from any point. Then draw this line to the center. Now take this line and copy, then paste here, then use rotate. Select this object and enter. Then select the direction, means select the point where you want to rotate. Now the angle 90 degrees and select this one and place here. This will be our tangent. This will be our tangent and this will be normal. If you want, you can check. If you want, you can check the angle. It will be 90 degrees. This will be the normal and this is the tangent. Highlight even this normal and tangent. Now take the measurement, means the dimension of the circle radius. This is the radius of the circle, 50 mm. These are the namings. This parts are divided into 8, so that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up till 8, and these points will be P1, P2, P3, P4, and this tangent point will be P. These are the namings of the involute. I think you understood how to draw the involute of a circle. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.